I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make a rich and decadent chocolate truffles. So come, let's get started. So I have a deep pan here, and to this, we're going to add cream. And now all we have to do is let it come to a gentle simmer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to keep the gas on really low, and we add the chocolate. And now all you have to do is quickly stir till the chocolate melts. So as you can see, the chocolate has melted, but there are small lumps of chocolate, which is fine. All we have to do now is switch the gas off because the cream is hot enough. We just whisk it. So whatever lumps of chocolate pieces are there will get melted. So as you can see, the chocolate has melted beautifully. Your chocolate truffle mixture is now ready. All we're going to do now is just pour this into a large bowl because it needs to cool down. So this is done. All I'm going to do is wrap it and put it in the fridge for about an hour, or you can actually keep it outside if the temperature is cool enough. But this needs to set enough that you can roll it, but not so hard that you're unable to use it. So that's why I'm going to put this in the fridge for about an hour or two, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. So it's been about 2 hours and the chocolate has set beautifully. Now all we have to do is start rolling them. Ideally, you know, when you make a truffle, it is usually coated with cocoa powder. But today I thought of making, different kinds of truffles. So we got 3 plates here, the cocoa powder that goes in. And then we got some desiccated coconut because chocolate and coconut taste really nice. And then we got some chocolate sprinklers. Now before starting the truffles, I'm going to wear a pair of gloves. One, because the heat of my hand will start melting the truffle and you want to shape them into nice balls. And secondly, it's just neater. Okay, now we got the gloves on. All we have to do is take a nice portion of the truffle. Now all you do is start rolling. And all we do is just coat it thoroughly. And the second one goes into the desiccated coconut. Nice and well coated. And now the third one. Just roll. So the truffles are ready. All we have to do is serve them. Do try this recipe for your friends and family because it's rich and decadent.